Have you ever been inspired to create images containing text with AI text-to-image generation tools like Midjourney? What did you notice? Have you ever wished that one day, AI will be able to create images with coherent text? Well, today is your lucky day, as we'll be introducing you to a relatively new tool that boasts the ability to automatically generate stunning and realistic images with expressive text. You sure want to stay with us till the end of this video. So, sit back, grab a cup of coffee, and join us as we take you on this intriguing journey into the world of AI text-to-image generation that will blow your mind. Let's dive right in. Head to Ideogram AI. Ideogram AI is a new player in the field of AI text-to-image generators. However, it's not like the others. If you've noticed, from Midjourney to Leonardo AI, LexicaArt, and other text-to-image generation tools, they mess up text in the images they create. The creators of Ideogram AI, Mohamed Nouzi, William Chan, Jonathan Ho, and Chitwan Saharia, former Google Brain researchers, saw this flaw and decided to approach text-to-image generation in a whole new way. At the time of making this video, they'd broken the record with Ideogram and have produced the first AI text-to-image tool that doesn't mess up text. Let's see how it works. Enter your prompt into the text bar. I want to generate a simple vector art design with the words, "I love Jesus," with flowers, hearts, typography, photo, 8K, 3D render. You can choose different aspect ratios for a particular generation. 10:16 for a portrait generation. 1:1 for a uniform image, and 16:10 if you want your image generation to take on a landscape form. Tap on Generate whenever you feel okay with the prompt you've created. Ideogram AI doesn't take time with its image creation. It first appears blurred and later becomes clearer. I love what I'm seeing. The fonts and colors, this is a really nice typography. The idea of using a heart to replace the O in love may be something peculiar to men alone, but the AI was able to understand this. So much for natural language processing. The remix feature works just the same way as in Midjourney or Leonardo AI. Let's add more styles to the parent image to create a new generation of images that take after it in some aspects. The remix feature is one you'll want to try out. There are a lot of other things you can do with Ideogram apart from creating vector art. Things like creating a movie poster with text. I can imagine how long it'll take an expert designer to achieve this color gradient and typography. The only time taken here was in crafting the prompt. The rest was automatic. Ideogram AI is certainly not for text creation alone. You can as well use it for other kinds of image generation like this. Also vector shirt design. With Ideogram AI, say hello to a whole new world of AI text-to-image generation that hasn't been witnessed with AI tools before now. Let's verify this claim of ours so that it doesn't look like we're just praising Ideogram AI for nothing. We'll copy this prompt from this beautiful graphic and see how other text-to-image generation tools will handle it. Head to Leonardo AI. Navigate your way to AI image generation. Paste the text you copied into the text bar. Generate. You can see this. It painted the picture so well, but failed to create the words appropriately. Let's go to another tool, LexicaArt. Paste the prompt you copied into the space created for it. Generate. It's the same as Leonardo AI. Nice graphics with haphazard text. You can change the text in our initial prompt and play around with it a little. This AI tool is really intelligent. It was able to correct a human error in the prompt in one of its generations here. Ideogram AI is entirely free. No restrictions whatsoever. All you need to do is sign up using an email account and you're all set. You can always access all your creations in one place. So, what are you waiting for? Start ideating. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more AI and tech-related content. Thank you for staying with us. See you in our next video.